Very good morning, my dear students. This is Sarul Murugan. Welcome to my digital class. Chapter name Input, Output and Memory Devices. Lecture video part 3. Dear students, in today's lecture video, we are going to discuss mouse and joystick. In a previous lecture video, we discussed what is input device, different types of input devices. In that we discussed keyboard. In this keyboard we know that different types of keyboard we discussed very clearly, so that today we will enter the new topic, which is mouse. Dear students, what is mouse? Mouse is an input device. Mouse is an input device that controls the movement of cursor, on the display screen. See, if you open your system or a laptop, as soon as logged your system, there will be a cursor in the midpoint. The cursor will control by the mouse. So what is mouse? The mouse is an input device that can control the movement of a cursor on the display screen. So after opening your system, in the display screen there will be a cursor will appear. The cursor is controlled by mouse. So with the help of mouse we can control the cursor. See, the display screen is a map in the form of graphical points. Dot is called pixel. Assume that here I given one dot. I circled here. I am going to zoom it. You can see I given one dot. See, this smallest dot is called pixel in the display screen. The smallest dot in a display screen is called pixel. So that is the definition they given here. In a display screen is mapped in the form of graphical point. The smallest point is called a graphical point. Is called a pixel. See, it is a small device. You can roll or navigate along with the flat surface. So how you can use the mouse? In the flat surface only you can able to use the mouse. The movement of the position is converted into signals and sent into the computer. Assume that there is a mouse here. So if you are move backward, if you are move the mouse backward, the movement of the position converted into signals and sent into the computer. So according to the movement, the cursor will be move. Understand? So generally, what is mouse? Two simple definition. Mouse is an input device that controls the movement of a cursor on display screen. If they ask in the examination, define a mouse in the sense, you have to write the first point. What is the first point? Mouse is an input device that controls the movement of a cursor on the display screen. Next, you can write the last point also. The movement of the position is converted into signals and sent to the computers. Understand? Next, types of mouse. Dear students, there are 4 types of mouse. Manual mouse RJ. Here RJ means reserved jockey. Next, scroll mouse, USB mouse, wireless mouse. We will see one by one. Dear students, in your first PUC textbook, there is more detailed about different types of mouse. They mentioned just there are 4 types of mouse. That's all. So what is manual mouse RJ? For our knowledge, I am going to explain just what is what. What is manual mouse RJ in the sense? You can see this is the oldest mouse. You can see there are 3 buttons: left click, right click, center click. There are 3 buttons are available. Generally, they will use only 2 buttons: left click, right click only. Here there is a ball. You can see in the middle. I think I am going to shade here so that easily you can understand. Or I will use other color so that easily you can. So I rounded now. This is called mouse ball. So based on this movement, the cursor will be move according to that. Understand? So this is the oldest mouse. Nowadays the people they are not using this type of mouse, understand. So what is manual mouse RJ in the sense? Manual mouse reserved jockey, so it is the oldest mouse. Here there is a ball, based on the movement, based on the roll on the ball, the signal will be converted into computer, understand. Based on the movement the cursor is moved. Next scroll mouse. So this is the second type. You can see this, here there is a scroll, here there is a scroll. So you can see here there is a scroll button, so that's why it is named as a scroll mouse. So with the help of this scroll we can able to move the pages, scroll up and scroll down. So with the help of scroll button we can able to scroll the pages. So that's why it is named as a scroll mouse, understand. Manual mouse RJ, scroll mouse. Next USB mouse. You can see in a previous mouses and all, if you want to connect a mouse, there is a mouse port is there, through the port only you have to connect. What is the disadvantage in the sense? If any pin is damaged, clear, any pin is damaged, then the control of the mouse, it is quite difficult to make the movement. Next they introduced USB mouse. So with the help of USB mouse you can connect a mouse in the USB port also, through the USB port. So that's why it is named as a USB mouse. Next wireless mouse. What is wireless mouse? You can see there is a small receiver, there is a small receiver. With the help of this receiver the signal will be received from this mouse. So if you move the mouse left side, you can see there is no wire, but back side of the mouse there is a battery, there is a battery. With the help of battery the signal will be sent to this receiver. The receiver is fixed in the CPU, the receiver fixed in the CPU, so that is fixed in the CPU. So whenever you move the mouse will send the signal to the receiver. The receiver will transmit the signal to the CPU. So based on that the cursor will be controlled, understand. There are 4 types of mouse. First manual mouse RJ, scroll mouse, USB mouse, wireless mouse. Next joystick. Dear students, it is an input device, consists of a stick that pivoted on the base. The stick is pivoted on the base and reported its angles and direction. So what is joystick? See, it consists of a stick. Assume that there is a stick that pivoted on base. Assume that there is a base here. It consists of a stick that pivoted on the base, reports its angles. Which angle? 30 degree, 40 degree, 180 degree. So it will report the angle and also direction, upward, downward, left, right. Understand? You can see this diagram so that easily you can able to understand. See, this is the stick, this is the stick. The stick is pivoted on the base. Understand? So it is used to control video games, simulated programs and modern video games, and also used to control machines like cranes, trucks, surveillance cameras. To control those machines the joystick is used. I think the joystick is familiar to you guys because you people are playing video games. So in the video games the joystick is used to control the movements. See, what is joystick? A joystick, it is an input device, consists of stick that pivoted on the base and reports its angles and direction. It is used to control video games, simulated programs and modern video games, and also it is used to control machines also. Understand? So this is the example of joystick. You can see in the joystick there are number of buttons are available to control the machines. Understand? Dear students, I am going to conclude this video by giving summary. So first we discussed what is mouse. A mouse is an input device that controls the movement of a cursor on the display screen. Next, the display screen in map in the form of graphical point dot is called pixel. It is a small device, so you can roll or navigate along with the flat surface. The movement of the position is converted into signals and sent into computer. There are 4 types of mouse: manual mouse RJ, scroll mouse, USB mouse and wireless mouse. So these are all the 4 types. Next, joystick. It is an input device, consists of a stick that pivoted on the base and reports its angles and direction. Dear students, what is angle in the sense? Degree, how much degree it is rotating, and direction, left, right, backward, frontward. Next, it is used to control video games, simulated games and modern video games, and also used to control machines. Understand? Dear students, one more time watch this video. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to message or you can call me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We will see next class with some other topic.